Altcoin season, guys. I just made $215,000 trade altcoin pumps. And also, let's talk about today Bitcoin at $80,000 and volume of $43 billion. You already know, trade crypto time at gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list to increase the buyer power. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 15% per week. Bitcoin first. My price prediction is going to be $100,000. So hold your Bitcoin. $100,000 is the huge resistance right here. If you go right here, right back in 2021, this is the high highs, and the next high is going to be $100,000. So hold your Bitcoin. Now, altcoin pumps, guys, private list. This is the list of the coins I share in the private list. This coin right here, X Empire, I made $35,000 trade this coin. How am I soft to pick this move? By tracking the volume here. Let me give you this example right here. X Empire, guys, right here on November 4, the volume of this coin was $31 million. Volume pumped to $322 million. That's what I'm looking for, guys. Before the pumping price, there is the pre-pumping volume, guys. So X Empire, guys, I shared this trade in the private list right here on November 7. Before the pump, you bought this coin for 0.00008 and you put a sell order up here 0.0005. 518%. I made $35,000. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. This is the list of the coins I share in the private list, guys. X Empire, Drift, LIGO, Ferro INTOverse, LED, and Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin we trade as a swing trade strategy. Let me give you an example. Exactly the same strategy. First thing first, volume spike. Here we go. Dogecoin. Pay attention right here on October 13. The volume Doge was $464 million and volume pumped to $2.4 billion. That's what I'm looking for. Before the pumping price, there is the pre-pumping volume. So Dogecoin, guys, exactly the same strategy. I shared this trade in the private list way back there on October 14. We bought this coin for 11 cents, guys. And today, our order just get filled at 30 cents, 164%. I made $12,000. Guys, altcoin season, I just made $215,000 in return. You can make the same profit as I do. You just need to copy my trades. TradeCryptoTime at gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 15% per week. Remember, you just need to copy my trades and you can trade crypto worldwide, anytime, anywhere. Thanks for your time. Have a beautiful day and let's enjoy this money. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.